Welcome back, programmers. In the today's section, I am going to show you how you can create an actual real life project. Today we are going to create a real life problem solving charity project. So till now this is my website allinonecode.com and it has everything which you need. Now today we are going to create a huge charity website with the use of whatever skill I have. In a simple way, we are going to create a website which will help a lots of people. Now what is this website? This website is nothing but a charity website. In this website we are going to take a charity from a lots of people and we are going to spend that money to give the computers and computer accessory to a poor children who can't afford the computer but still wants to learn the computer and wants to learn the coding. Not only children's, if you are an adult you still can't afford the computer and still wanna learn the programming or any computer related stuff, you can get a free, totally free, 100% free computer at your home. I'm not kidding. Now I live in the Gujarat. I come from very poor family and when I was in the 10th grade I wanted to learn computer. I wanted to learn and I wanted to create something but my family can't afford the computer or PC or laptop. So there are lots of childrens and men's like me who still wants to learn the computer or programming language or anything related to this new era of the technology, but they can't because obviously they can't afford it. So what I want to do is that it doesn't matter what is your religion, what is your caste. If you want to learn the computer, if you want to learn something, you can do it. Now I know there are lots of errors which we are going to face in this project, like the money issue. Like obviously I don't have the money, so that is why I'm creating this charity. I just don't want people to become like they wanna watch something that shitty on the TikTok, like they are throwing a lots of food on the table and people are watching that. I mean, what the hell are they doing? So I just want to create something different. Like I am currently in India, so obviously I will start this project for my area. Like I am currently living in the Gujarat, so obviously I will start this project by only in Gujarat and let's see how people are responding to my project. Okay, so there will be a lots of many different things in this project. Like the first important thing is, let's say if you are donating some money, so obviously you gotta know why are you donating, why am I donating this money to this particular charity. So in my village I took a survey and there are lots of kids who wants to learn the PC, the internet. They wanna explore different things on the computer but they can't afford it. So my strategy is very simple. If you donate some money, I will spend it in buying a second hand computer, not a first grade computer like you can play the game on it and like it's i5 11th generation, i5 12th generation. No, it will be a simple, very basic computer, even in the cell run version. Because if you are starting learning computer, obviously you don't need a hi-fi powerful gaming PC. You just need a way to learn. So I will go on the cheap bazaar, I will buy the cheapest third class computer, I will fix it, and as per my measure, one PC will only cost around 2000 rupees. It means that let's say you donated some money, so I think I can manage to build a whole PC around 3500 rupees, only in 3500 rupees, with the actual monitor, with an actual CPU, with an actual keyboard and mouse. Now it comes to the next part, laptops. Now some kids don't have the electricity in their village. I know that's kind of crazy. So I think the lowest cost of laptop, which is not that bad, the PC will be not that bad. Like you can even play the GTA San Andreas in it. it will be that powerful, GTA San Andreas powerful. And the laptop cost will be minimum 3000 to 4000 rupees. This is an actual laptop price. This will be a lowest price of the laptop. I know you all are thinking how I am having the gods of hell I am going to get that kind of money. One person cost average 4 to 5000 rupees. 4000 rupees average. So how in the gods of hell I am going to get this kind of money? This is the important part. I will use only my one trick, which is you. You will donate money. Obviously I don't have. You will donate money and you will help all of those people who need to learn, and I will help too. I will assemble the PC, I will deliver it to the particular learner, and I will create a platform where you can donate the money. You can put your address, your name and all of that stuff to get a new PC or laptop. You can take a quiz on this platform so we know that you are actually eligible to get a PC. Now I know this quiz is not that hard. If you really want to learn, you can solve it. If you're really interested into computer, you can solve it. It's not like a history question, who made the computer and all of that stuff. It's a logical, pure logical questions. Now when we talk about the donation, you can donate from 1 rupees to infinite rupees. Yes, 1 rupees to infinite. Then I'm going to create some kind of advertisement to obviously share this scheme with lots of people, and we'll see how it's going. If it's work, lots of people will learn a new thing every day with the use of the knowledge in their hand with a computer. And remember, this is the era of the technology. You should learn and you should help someone to learn. From next video I am going to develop this project, and all of the step by step process I will upload it in this YouTube channel. So if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe this YouTube channel now, and I highly suggest you to share this video with lots of people and like this video so I know that I'm doing something good. So that is it for today's guys. If you like this video, just like this video, share this video with other programmer, hit on the bell icon so you'll never miss my latest video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, just code.